Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add your voice to Grok AI.
My dear
so
audience,
having created my Grok AI, I want to add my voice to Grok AI. There are a few steps you have to take. The first step is to have a Grok AI. So right here, you just have to click on the image option found at the top. Select the particular image. You just have to click on this gallery image here. From here, you just have to click on this photo library, select the particular image you want to make use of, particular picture that you want to make use of. So I want to make use of the picture I used before now, so just have to scroll and click on the image. So right here, you're going to program this image by typing she's addressing her audience in soft and hard gesture. You can use any kind of program you like, but this is the one I'm making use of. So it's going to generate in few seconds, and after generating it, you have to download it. So let's see how it goes. So yes, I was able to generate it. I can now play it to watch how the video looks like. So this is it. Now the next step you have to take is to go to your Play Store and install Dreamface on your device. So let me go to my Play Store. I already have Dreamface, so I just have to click on my Dreamface app now and then click on create now. So from here, all you have to do is to select this particular video that I created using your Grok AI and click on choose voice. So because I want to make use of my own voice, I'll click on my voice. We have three ways of using your voice. You can import it from your photo or record it. So I'll be recording mine. There are actually other ways you can add your natural voice to this Grok AI. You can make use of your CapCut to add your voice to this Grok AI. You just have to use the record and then record the particular voice you want the Grok AI to have. Or you can make use of this Dreamface here, confirm it, and then it's going to be in this form. So guys, that is it on how to add your voice to Grok AI. I was created this video was helpful. Grok AI, please do to like, I can comment, my voice, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Grok AI.